Hello friends, this is Universe channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you navigation bar settings or how you can enable navigation bar in Realme Narzo 30a or Narzo 30 Pro. So before starting video, if you're first in my channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So to open navigation bar settings in Realme Narzo 30a or Narzo 30 Pro, first of all you just need to open settings. So first just go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.